Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PostgreSQL with AWS RDS automated backups, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your AWS management console. Navigate to the RDS service from the list of AWS services. Once within RDS, select the databases option from the left-hand menu. Find the PostgreSQL instance you want to backup in the list of databases. Click on the database instance name to access its details. Scroll down to the backup section to review the current backup settings. Ensure that automated backups are enabled. If not, modify the settings by clicking on the Modify button. In the modification page, locate the backup settings. Set the backup retention period to your desired number of days. Choose a retention period that suits your data recovery needs. Scroll down and click the Continue button. On the confirmation page, review the changes. Select Apply immediately if you want to implement the changes right away. Click on the Modify DB Instance button to save your settings. AWS will now manage your automated backups based on the retention period you specified. You can check the backup status in the Events section of your RDS console. To manually initiate a backup, navigate back to your instance details. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Select the option to take a snapshot. Provide a name for your snapshot for easy identification. Click the Take Snapshot button to start the manual backup process. Monitor the snapshot progress in the Snapshots section of the RDS console. Once completed, your backup will be securely stored in AWS. You can restore your database from either the automated backups or the manually created snapshots when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.